Okay, so now that we have designed, let's save it. Go to file, save as, give it a name, test1. Okay, so be it, test1. Okay, now we have to convert this to the PC board. To do that, you go and click, see, generate switch to board. See this symbol there. It will tell you that the test1.board does not exist. Do you want to create it? Of course we want to create it. Say yes. So now you maximize this. So it has already wired everything and given it here. So I'm going to now go click this move and move the parts into the board area. So this is the board, so it gives you this size board initially. We don't need the entire area, so I can move this here. If I, while moving, if I right click, it rotates. See, it rotates. So I can rotate it. Let me go that way. I can place it right here, and then I will move the 4 resistors one on top of each other. Okay, so we can rearrange it any way we want. Now I will resize the board. So I left click, I move the board, and then I fit exactly to that level. Again, I can go to the top, bring it down, make sure the board is nice and rectangular. Once this is done, again I can go and say zoom to fit, so it fits the entire screen. So we can now go and click this button which is called rat's nest. So rat's nest avoids redundant connections, so you can actually see some connections change. And now we go to the next one here called the auto router. So this is what actually makes the board. So I click the auto router and make sure the layer 1 is vertical line, layer 16 is the bottom, which is an horizontal line. So this is default, so basically you can leave it as such and then say okay, voila, you now have the board. So this is how you design the board. You can save this, you can save, so everything is saved. Later you will learn how to convert or write this into a Gerber file, send it to a company, and then they will give you the board in a few days. There you go. So this is the Eagle demo.